Greetings, everyone. Greetings, lovers of freedom. My name is MAP Ezukubundo. 1. Please, I want you to pay attention and listen to this video. Watch this video. 2025 project budget passed by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the President of the Federal Republic of Zoo called Nigeria, has excluded the Southeast in all the projects that will be carried out in 2025 budget. And now, the painful part of it is that the Southeastern senators and the House of Representatives are not even aware of the things that are going on. Like I said, I don't want to take much time. Let us watch the video first so that you will understand where I am coming from and where I am going. I am not making up the story. Pay attention and watch the video. Let's go.
Mr. Speaker, I'm from a zone, and none of the Southeast and other zones are captured in this particular place. And this is the national budget. We have to look at it critically. Mr. Speaker, I want to bring the attention of the House in this item 281, Light Rail, Kano Ogun, Lagos. Mr. Speaker, I'm from a zone, and none of the Southeast and other zones are captured in this particular place. And this is the national budget. We have to look at it critically. It's not for a particular state, Mr. Speaker. The Southeast need to be included. That is my point of order, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable. Your observation. I am sure in the course of the year there might be...
Mr. Speaker, no other time. It is now. Let us do it now. Mr. Speaker, observation.
They are already ongoing now.
Yours is noted, Honorable, and will bring it to the attention of Mr. President.
Order.
In the near future, we'll ensure that that balancing is done, okay? Please, let's make progress.
Order, please. Order, please.
Border communities infrastructure carried. Military barracks accommodation carried. Military
Event has already overtaken it.
Total capital supplementation carried. Total capital
Observation, Mr. Speaker. South for the rail. South. Decorum, please. My highly esteemed colleagues, decorum, please. Let's maintain some kind of decorum, please.
Order, please. When I'm talking, you are not supposed to also be talking. You can only raise your voice and expect to be recognized. But it's not good when we are talking, you are also talking. It's very dishonorable to us. Please. I have made my own statement or remark concerning that particular observation. And what I said is that we would bring this to the attention of Mr. President. Likely there may be another supplementary within the year. If that kind of opportunity unfolds, we will make sure that this request is channeled. Okay?
Another observation, sir.
Thank you very much. What observation?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It's still on item 282, light rails. I think it didn't indicate anything, so it's an observation. Something has been omitted. 282.
Which one is that? 280?
No, 282. Light rails.
Light rails.
So no
right?
location, nothing. So
Pardon?
no location, no designation, just light rails.
Light rail is a...
But all of them has money. Even that point has money again. Look at it.
It's a mistake.
But
all the ones under that one are the light rail provisions.
Okay.
The ones under it are the provisions, okay? Thank you.
Observation, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, observation, please.
Revert back to plenary
Observation.
to report progress.
Mr. Speaker, observation, please. My observation has to do with 267, Nigeria Intelligence Agency, NIA.
267.
267, sir. 267.
After this, we'll not consider any other.
No. We are not. 267, sir.
Let me just give him the benefit. What is the problem?
Yes, the problem is the amount allocated for an hospital.
Pardon?
For amount allocated for an hospital for an agency. Well, no, it doesn't make sense, sir. For us to for the budget to appropriate 238 billion for an hospital for an agency, when we allocated 137 billion for renewable power state.
If you have that observation before we reach that number,
yes,
you should have raised.
I appreciate observation, sir. You didn't listen to us.
But we have already hit the gavel. And that
very
means
wrong,
the House has taken a position on it.
It's okay.
So sorry about it, please.
You omitted 277, which is the recapitalization of bank industry. And also to remind Mr. Speaker,
We omitted.
you didn't call it, yes, sir. You didn't mention it.
You didn't mention it.
And equally to lend my voice, Mr. Speaker, the exclusion of the Southeast
Can I see?
in the rail and roads from that infrastructure, Mr. Speaker, is one about fairness and one with historical implications for unity and development of Nigeria. Mr. Speaker, I'm taking you by your words.
Now, I believe you have watched the video. I believe you now understand it. That is what is going on now. And when I told you that the Southeastern senators and the House of Representatives are not even aware on the going work until everything is done. If you watch that video very carefully, you will see that the man speaking there is speaking after the bills and everything, after everything have been reviewed, and the speaker is about to rule and they stamp it so that they will carry it on, before he now realize that the East, Igbo, is not included. The question I want to ask him now is this: where was him when that bill was reviewed, and when the budget was reviewed and everybody give their consent that everything is okay? Didn't they realize that there is no Southeast in the first place? Why did he waited until the last minute before he starts shouting like a dog? Because many of you will be clapping for him, saying that he raised alarm. For me, he did not raise alarm. For me, he is a disgrace to the entire Igbo. For me, those people, the question now is, where are the rest senators? When are they making the Southeastern Caucus meeting before going to this, to the assembly? What is their own budget? What is their own expectation? Having said this, if you see how that man was carried away, let me show you another video so that you will understand what I am saying. We are not here to make up or to put up a story that for propaganda. Pay attention to this. This one is with Senator Ume.
My question is on policy, on the Nigerian gas pipeline infrastructure. Recently, I saw somebody on television, Arise News, canvassing the issues as they affect the Southeast geopolitical zone on the construction of high-pressure gas pipelines. It was revealed the Southeast has no program for high-pressure gas pipeline infrastructure going on now. Like you have the AKK, Abuja, Kaduna, Kano, and you have similar projects across the other geopolitical zones. There is no program to lay pipes, high-pressure gas pipelines in the Southeast to carry natural gas around that zone. So since that revelation, our people have been gravely concerned, and they've been reaching out to us in the National Assembly to find out why the Southeast doesn't have that project. Is it in your program? When are you going to do that so that the same gas can be made available to the Southeast geopolitical zone for industrialization purposes and other purposes?
I believe you're listening. Now, when you pick up the point he is making here, you will see that he is not even aware that such projects have have been taking place. Now, when you listen to the first person that spoke, you will also pay attention that they are not aware about anything that has to do with the project. It's only when people, maybe after they have passed the bill, passed the law, sign the budget and carry it out, before they will now hear them say. Now, when you listen to the speaker calling the South program, he say carried, the northern, the west, all the other 5 geopolitical zones we are mentioned, excluding the southeast. And the question now is that I don't blame them. I blame the people that are representing us. Now, the one Nigeria, Igbo, those that believe in one Nigeria, let us continue with one Nigeria. How far? When are we going to carry our own? Let me tell us one thing. This is just the beginning of the punishment and the suffer of Igbo. Meanwhile, I want to also ask those that are claiming to be agitators who abandoned the project of Biafra restoration and clamoring for Igbo economy or Southeast economy. How do you intend to do that? Confused and mad people are the people representing us in all ramifications. I don't want to say much. I remember my humble self, MAP, Eziokubundo. The only man and the only leader I know that he has sense and they represent in Igbo is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Others were Ekpokotep one, and I don't have any respect for them. God bless you. Eziokubundo.